Would you like
Hi
to
guys,
continue playing?
I'm going to show you how to play Dreambox, and during that I'm going to show you how to play this game. We're going to be adding numbers together in that game that I showed you.
Let's play.
Here's a challenge for you.
Select two numbers that make 150.
The computer told me to select numbers that make 150. That number, the computer told me, so I would go by. So I would find the little number that there is here, and the biggest number that I can find. And then I would add them together, and then I would make 150. And then I would keep on doing the same thing over and over until I complete the game. I'm going to do the same thing as before. I'm going to look around for the smallest number I can find. I have to look first, then I'll know. If I don't look, I don't know which one it is. So I picked this one, so I would check first to make sure it is. It is. So then I would go to the biggest number there is and circle that. And then if it's correct, I'm gonna check again. If it is correct, that means I would click both of those that I picked. And then I would click
35 plus 140 equals 175, which is greater than 150. Try again to make 150.
So it told me that I have to fix it. So that I would just, if you ever need to fix two numbers, any number, you can just click them back, and then you can restart what you're doing. And then if you accidentally got it wrong, you could look double again. You can look again. You can look double times. And then you look double times, and then you look back double times. And then you make sure none of the numbers are lower than that. So you gotta make sure that it is true. So I thought this number. Let's check. Let's press them and check. Then I would go back again and find the smallest number and the biggest number that I can find. And then I would click on those and press check. And then you do it over and over until you complete the game. So now I would find the smallest one and the biggest one. and then I would click on those and press check. And then I would go back and then look for the smallest number there. I would just look carefully so you guys don't make a wrong answer. Then you can go find the biggest number there. And then you would press check. And then you would press on those, Amy, and press check. And then if you have only 2 more, click on just both, and then press check.
Great work finding numbers that add to 150. What do you notice about the numbers in the ones place for your equations? Select next when you are ready to continue.
The computer told me what do you notice in the ones place. So I think I'm noticing something like I noticed before in my other video. There are 5s, and there are 5s. There are some 5s in there. Okay. I'm noticing in the ones place that there is some 5s. There's some 5s that I'm noticing there. The 5s are in here. There's some 5s. And I'm noticing some 0. And I'm noticing some 0s like this. One and that one over there. And I'm noticing numbers that go in order. 1, 3, 5, and the 6th. The numbers are not all in the correct order how it would go, but they're in an order. Kind of a different order, but in an order. So that's what I'm noticing in here. That's what I notice in those. And then after you're already done looking what you've noticed, press next. And then it will take you to move on.
Good job
Thank you
playing
for
Matching
watching
Mate.
me, and subscribe to my videos if you like this one. Have a nice day.
Click the